Hey everyone, welcome to a very dark and miserable afternoon here in the UK. Guys, I am pretty sure it has rained every single day this year, and honestly, I'm over it. I am so ready for a bit of sunshine. So, I am launching my spring cleaning series today in the hopes of manifesting a change in the weather. I am starting in the room that is the easiest, the bathroom. If you know me, I bet you never thought I would say that because this is usually my most dreaded space and the area that I avoid like the plague. But when you see the other spaces in my home, I'm sure you will agree that the bathroom didn't need as much of my energy. I've been looking at certain corners of this room for weeks. The lime scale on the shower, the soap scum on the taps, and the black mold in the tiles and the grout. And I just kept telling myself, I will get to it eventually. Well, guys, today is eventually. I've picked some of my favourite music to help me get through the scrubbing. Now, feel free to just lean back and relax, or maybe use this time to tackle a small task of your own. My weapon of choice this week is my trusty old Sillet Bang. I knew I needed a product that works well on lime scale. Now, we live in an extremely hard water area, and let's just say the build up can be a real pain in my butt. Normally, I would use bleach in the bath and on the tiles, but guys, you can probably hear I am still struggling with the leftover lung irritation and that cough that I just cannot get to subside. It's driving me insane. Um, so I don't want to be using really harsh chemicals and irritating myself even more. Now I do use bleach on the toilet and the surrounding area, because well I'm a boy mum. But for the most part I am sticking to Sillet Bang, and it actually does an incredible job, which you will see in the after shots. I tried to get some really good close up for you guys so you could see just what I was dealing with. It always looks great in the camera. It always looks like I'm making up the extent of the messes around my home, because the camera makes it look, well, like it's not messy or dirty. So hopefully I did a bit of a better job, so you know I'm not lying to you.
Dinner party, scan your face for a sign.
I always find that there is a specific kind of peace that comes when I am deep cleaning. Now, I'm not going to lie, at first I always feel so overwhelmed before a deep clean because it feels like such a chore. But after 10 minutes, I guess my brain just clicks and my muscle memory takes over. And before I know it, I've achieved that job that I've been putting off. So, if you guys are feeling a little bit overwhelmed lately, I highly recommend just picking one small space or corner and giving it your full attention, even if it is just for 10 minutes.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to when you're next to me. Ah.
I realised quite early on in this bathroom deep clean that I've been neglecting more and more. I guess you could call them hidden spots. Now, it is so easy for me week after week to do surface level wipe downs and ignore what's behind the door or behind the toilet or behind the sink or behind the shower curtain. But seeing the shine come back to the chrome and the grout looking beige again and not kind of black with black mold is so satisfying, and it is spurring me to keep going. That little brush tool that I'm using, I don't actually know its specific name. I just call it a detailing brush, I guess. I actually picked that up off of Amazon about a year ago. I think it actually might have been for my last year's spring clean. And I didn't utilize it very well. I didn't actually use it, and I haven't really used it all year. So when I pulled it out today, I kind of had the mindset that that's how I would go about it again. I would just use it on the areas that needed me to get in, like look, the awkward spaces between the bath and the taps that you can't reach with a cloth. However, when I was using it, I actually realized that it did a lot more than just that. It helped me with the grout, it helped me with the lime scale building up on the top of the taps. Um, so I do definitely recommend this tool. I believe it wasn't more than £3 for a set of two. So definitely have a look. Um, I found mine on Amazon. I have no idea what you call it. Detailing tool, I guess. But yeah, no, it's definitely a winner, and it's definitely a tool that I will use time and time again now I've realised its full potential.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone who's the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here.
And that is the bathroom officially checked off of my list. Guys, it feels so much lighter in here now. I can finally take my evening bath and not be faced with a huge to-do list staring right at me. Thank you so much for staying with me for this first part of the series. It's a long journey to get the whole house refreshed, but starting here feels exactly right. I will be back next week with the next room. I am thinking the kitchen or the bedrooms. Either one is a huge, massive undertaking and will take me multiple days. Um, until then, I hope you have a beautiful, restful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Much love.